great band, Radio Dead Ones. Let's hear it for those guys. And last night we got so fucked up in the Netherlands that Mike, for the first time in the band's career, he said, Johnny, you gotta not drink tonight, please. Please, just for one night. He did it.
Just for one.
Just for one fucking night. So
Eine Nacht.
tonight, I'm staying sober, but I want all of you to get fucked up. Set it off in this circle pit. This song is about this man right here. This is a song called Toby's Got a Drinking Problem. You think you can handle this one? Are you gonna set this fucking pit off?
I want to see you sing and dance on this one, okay? Weinheim, Germany. Let me hear you sing on this picture. Everybody! Hey! 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 Tucker! We were always drunk and roustabout, had our ups, downs, and then brought out. He is the center of attention that nobody down. But that ended forevermore when his fastball crashed through the door floor. Johnny got a drinking problem. Everybody put this on my last to go. I got reputation too, till everybody knew. Toby, got a drinking problem. Let me hear you. Toby, got a drinking problem. Right on. This ain't moving on. There's no chaos, carries on. If there's no that's a very wrong. It's just time to choose, but take a rip into your food. No way, got a bigger problem. No way, got a bigger problem. Give me your break. He wasn't dead yet. He didn't make a break. It's not okay. He's not hero. Let him go! Look at this angle! Here we go! Hey! 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 Toby! Got a drinking blood! You fucking singer! Toby! Got a drinking blood! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! I swear! That I'm never drinking again. Gonna get back my girlfriend. Gonna get back my job. I'm never drinking again. Everybody put your hands in the air. Everybody, be a baptism. Toby got a drinking problem. 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 Give it up for Radio Dead Ones. Graduated high school, I was on my seat, no one got it on the home for me. Good got my opportunity, got benefits and decent pay. And they said, we hit a stalemate, speak to us. Take a line for the wholesale boss. Think to myself, what the hell on the spot? Let's find out to make rails, and they humble come and join me, say. If you're pumping at the single victim of the animation back, the better times. Now, moving is the style, we officially working style, and the move us up the far away. Say to it now, better put you in the street with all the workers. Down in place, the judge says, we cannot stop them, free to go. Looks me in the eyes and says, can't help me slow. Whatever happened to America, see the soul 26 fucking more. Jesus go! Get by the door, we ain't jumping off the rails, and he humble come and join me, say. In your bunch of records, sing a good thing of the animation back. Better time, yeah! Hey, 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 hey! Hey, 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 hey! He's singing another Union song. You gotta get rid of him. One thing about you can't play ball. Down the way. We are now in the midst of a brand new war. I don't believe them, I want to stay up. They got the group and they're coming back to stay. Couple cents came down back up to 50%. Once again, my friend, her message will say. Get out the door, we are talking about the rest. And he help us come and join me, say. If you come to let the single good things of the animation back. Better time. Get out the door, talking about the rest. And he help us come and join me, say. When you're punching at the single things of the animation back. The better time. It's the best, the better time. It's the best, the better time.